The cyber kill chain, adapted from a military model by Lockheed Martin in 2011, outlines the sequential stages of a cyber attack. It's a methodical approach designed to comprehend and thwart malicious activities effectively. This life cycle, also known as the cyber attack life cycle, assists organizations in comprehending the progression of a cyber attack. By identifying these stages, they can enhance their abilities to prevent, detect, or intervene in future attacks. Initially consisting of 7 steps, the cyber kill chain has evolved to encompass 8 phases: reconnaissance, weaponization, delivery, exploitation, installation, command and control, actions on objective, and monetization. Primarily used to counter sophisticated cyber threats like ransomware, security breaches, and advanced persistent threats, APTs, the cyber kill chain aids organizations in fortifying their defenses against complex and targeted cyber attacks.